Fellas, there's one more over here. Crazy shit, man. So this is where the Red Trail and the Appalachian Trail leave each other. So I'm going to continue on the Appalachian Trail until I get around Bear Mountain. So I just ran into a couple of people. One woman trail named Sojourner. She's doing a section hike from Connecticut to lower New York, all on the Appalachian Trail. So pretty interesting person there I talked to. I don't have much battery time left, so I'm just gonna probably be taking pictures. Also ran into another guy. Fucking legs were monstrous, this guy. In really good shape. He was training for a mountaineering expedition kind of thing in Alaska. So interesting people on this Appalachian Trail for sure. If you run into them, you know, talk to them. It's pretty cool people. So this is a spot where I'm leaving the AT. I'm gonna cheat it a little bit. I'm getting on this 1777W, and that's the white blaze that crosses over Seven Lakes Drive. So I'm kind of cheating it a bit. I think it may be a little bit too much. I want to try to get to Big Hill today instead of Blue Mountain Shelter. So I still got a long ways to go, but I'm gonna go north. I'm still gonna hit up Bear Mountain. Well, I got to my destination. It's not really what I expected as far as the view. So there's the Bear Mountain Lodge and Bear Mountain Bridge. It's an ice skating rink over there. And this is where the Appalachian Trail and the Yellow Trail supposedly ends, basically. So I'm gonna start backtracking. I could go eat lunch at the Bear Mountain Lodge, but I'm not going to. Right now it's 12:10, so I made really good time. I got here in less than 4 hours from Brien Memorial Shelter, so I'm proud of myself. So just made it to a Blue Mountain Shelter. Oh, I'm real tired. I'm thinking about spending the night here. It's a really nice view. You can see New York City from there. It's like straight ahead. Big Hill. Big Hill is pretty far down that way. I could kind of see the tower from there. So it'll probably be like another 2 hours. something like that, so I might just camp it out here. I'm gonna look at the map, take a little break, and play it by ear, more or less. Nice here though. It's got a double fireplace, so we'll do something with that, stay warm. Right, and the time right now is 2:16, so just so I can gauge the time from where I started. Yeah guys, I think I'm just gonna chill out here, and tomorrow it'll probably take me maybe all day to get to Big Hill Shelter, and then I'll spend the night there. And then I'll have to go home from there. And I know it takes about 2 hours to get to Dutch Doctor. So from Dutch Doctor to Tuxedo is nothing. So I'll have like 4 hours of hiking to do on Friday with very little food. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Shit, man, I just went on a crazy ass mission to get some water. There's a close by source, but I filtered that water and it was coming out nasty. So the next source was like another fucking mile away, maybe a mile and a half back and forth, maybe even more. So I went and I got that shit, and everywhere I went was this fucking green, mossy, nasty, seaweedy shit growing. So I filtered the water and it was coming out the same as the fucking close by source. I'm just fucking, right now I'm tired, but luckily, you know, I should have been collecting wood this whole time, but luckily the people on the weekend, they gather so much fucking wood, it's like all around the place in stacks. So, you know, same shit as last night, fucking stacks of wood everywhere, so I'm good. So I just made this fire, right? And I think there's a wasp hive in the chimney, because I'm looking outside and I see them motherfuckers like just going crazy, and luckily they're not in here yet. I don't think they're gonna come in here because there's like a bunch of smoke. And hopefully they'll leave and I'll be okay. Check out this one, I'll show you. See them crawling inside. There's a lot more than when I looked before. When I had the fire raging, they were fucking going crazy. I got scared. I kind of wanted to leave the shelter.